Which one? Where's Mommy and Jasmine?
This is me and this is you.
Ooh, nice. How about Daddy and Jackie?
Oh, yeah.
Only one final thing is that Michael Boyd was their former offense coordinator. Frank Reich was Peyton Manning's quarterback coach in Indianapolis. They know him.
Jackie's with him. That's Daddy.
Superman, and that.
Where's Jackie?
She's only one eye. Oh, she's so sad.
You have to put little hair for Jackie. Oh, how about this? You have to put long hair for you. Ah. Wow, thank you, Jasmine. Yeah, I need to draw the feet.
She needs feet because she's little.
There's the feet. Opo. Oh, nice feet. That's so cute, Jasmine. Where's my feet?
You've been asking for a new computer for years. Are you going to watch things?
Thank you for my feet. Good job, Jasmine. Look at the camera. Good job.
That should